Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay in Tron using Revolut. Basically it's pretty easy. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. You can actually change your debit card's payment currency to Tron. So just go to the home page on your Revolut account and go to the top right corner where you can see this card icon. This is going to be the cards menu where you will see all your debit cards. And you can basically choose any of them to change to Tron. Go to settings, which is here. Then go to the first option, which is spend from. And in this menu, you can just select any cryptocurrencies that you would like to set. And you can select Tron or any other cryptos. And when you select them, you can use that specific cryptocurrency to be used for any payments with your debit card. So it's pretty easy. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider sending a super thanks donation.